Hey, hi. I'm going to show you how you can clean up space on your Gmail in case your space is used up. Okay, now mine is 98% and I don't want to upgrade. I can see Google Drive is taking these, Gmail, and some photos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to delete out some stuff. So this is how you can clean up space on your Gmail to kind of get more space. When you click on clean up space, I see they give me they tell me like emails with large attachments that they are 2 GB, large photos and videos, they are 100 MBs, large drive files, they are 21 MB, emails in the bin is 1 MB. I think it's WhatsApp which is taking a lot of space, and that is around like 8. Okay, this is 4, this is 3, this is roughly like these are 8, but I can't really delete my WhatsApp backups. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to, I'm seeing here Gmail is taking like, okay, 6 GB. I'm going to try to clean up some files. So let me go up here, then I click clean up. Let me go to my emails, because the emails, I think I can get some things that I can delete. So I can go to my emails. When I'm cleaning my emails, I usually go for the old emails. Okay, I can usually go for the old emails. I'm thinking like this is 2024. You can just stick on it. This is a video script. No longer needed. This is 2024. There's that. These are old pictures. So you can actually try to get some old pictures. Try to go for the big ones, which have a big look at the space. This is 12 MB. Let me try to get some. This is 67 MBs. This is 2024. So you can go to the old years and delete out those pictures. This is October. Then after that, you can just click on delete. Now, in your case, you can try to go down more, because some of you are having emails for like 10 years ago. You can just go through all those pictures, then you kind of just delete them out, okay? So in my case, I think I'm okay for now. Let me just click on delete. This will permanently delete your emails. I understand. Permanently delete. Okay, I've got like 152 MBs back. Okay. Save time, not now. Okay, so that's how you can actually try to click delete some more space. I think now I have like 97%. I think I'll do the cleaning later, but this is how you can generally try to clean up space on your Gmail to free up space. For some of you, will realize you have actually large photos, large drive files. You can just go in and delete out some, old photos that you may not really need. Something like 5 years ago, 10 years ago, maybe it doesn't really mean to you a lot. So that's how you can clean up space on your Gmail. Okay. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in videos like this. See you. Okay.